Merry Christmas. There's nothing better than V8 horsepower on the dyno. Check it out. Hey guys, welcome back to the JPM Performance channel. Today we are on the dyno. I know that there's already a video out there about dynoing the Cadillac, but here we are. It's December 20th. Customer is wanting to go down to Sebring, Florida here in about 3 weeks. So if you've been paying attention to the shop tours, you know that this car has a new transmission in it. Finally got the drive shafts in it. Rear end's all back together, car's all put together, aligned, corner weighted, ready to go. So generally the last thing that I like to do, especially for a guy that it hasn't been dynoed for a while, or he's going to be driving a long ways to his first race in Florida in this case. So what we're going to do here, I've already run it a little bit on the dyno, but with a brand new transmission, it's always good to go through the gears, let it break in a little bit. Also, with a car like this that runs so fast, you know, we'll be running like 170 or 80 miles an hour here on the dyno. You want to let your transmission and differential warm up as well. So just going to do a quick little video. We're going to get it running. We're going to break in the transmission a little bit more, make a couple of pulls. Merry Christmas. There's nothing better than V8 horsepower on the dyno. Check it out. So as you can see, it's running pretty good. Transmission works perfect. The auto blipper for the downshift works perfect. Man, couldn't be happier. So car's ready to go. We'll give it a good clean up here in the next couple days, and he's gonna pick it up right before Christmas and head south. So like I said, I know that we've already done kind of one of these videos before, but man, when you have something like this on the dyno, I just love to share it. Hope you guys have a great Christmas and a great rest of the year. Thanks for watching. Take care.